Why the cost of electric vehicles may be poised to drop. Many experts projected that the cost of electric cars will fall significantly in the next few years during the COP26 Climate Change Conference in Glasgow in November. Declining subsidies for electric vehicle purchases were also announced in December by the federal government. Prices of battery electric vehicles (EVs) have already dropped drastically, and they are predicted to be on level with gasoline and diesel vehicles by 2025 or 2027, at which point they will be much cheaper. According to New Automotive, a research company dedicated to hastening the transition to electric vehicles, the ordinary driver can expect to save £700 annually by making the move. There has been a significant decline in battery prices, which are expected to fall much more, and more mass-market vehicles are being produced by the carmakers. From scratch, rather than modifying existing design frameworks known as platforms, the car industry is boosting both performance and affordability of electric vehicles, EVs. Price reductions are expected as a result of government objectives for automakers to sell more electric vehicles. The auto industry is now lobbying for incentives for purchases until the price of electric vehicles is comparable to that of gasoline-powered vehicles. As a result of the government's tax incentives for electric vehicles, several business fleets, such as taxi or car rental firms, purchased electric vehicles in 2019. After a 2 to 3 year lifespan, these automobiles are ready to hit the secondary market for those who can afford to pay the going rate. Britain also has a penchant for pre-owned automobiles. 7.5 million old automobiles were traded last year, compared to only 2 million new vehicles. In the UK, almost 2/3 of households have a driveway that can be used to charge an electric vehicle. To ensure that everyone can enjoy the advantages of owning an electric vehicle, Mr. Nelms added that local authorities must take an active role to ensure that chargers are pushed out in residential areas where homes do not have driveways. Long-distance travel might still be a problem when it comes to recharging. Shell has agreed to create 50,000 charging stations by the year 2050 in response to calls from the automotive sector for government investment in infrastructure.